Yukon here has, you can see it right there, basically 3 volts on the ground side, and we got a voltage drop of, looks like a little less than 6 on the power side. Well, thought I'd check out the ground circuit and see what's going on. Start the battery cable. There's battery cable. I was trying to see where this ground cable goes. And I think I found it. Ooh. Look at that. I don't know how it even started, because that is the main ground. We got a body ground going on, but man, that's crazy. I would say that's the only reason that thing started, or this truck starts, because that's the second ground that goes with the battery cable ground. And if you look back in there, I don't know if I can get to it or not. I'm trying to show you. They were, well, crap. Well, we can get to it to show you. I'll show you the bolt. Still hanging in there. Yeah, right there it is. Yeah. All it needs is a cable or two.